Hello friends, good afternoon. My name is Sulbha Vasnik. I am the Department of MBA from TGP CET Nagpur. So now today I am teach the subject is e-governance and the topic is models of e-governance. Okay, so let's start with e-governance. First of all, we can discuss the content. We can discuss about introduction, then objectives of e-governance, then models of e-governance. After that, we can discuss about evolution of e-governance, then strategies of e-governance, and lastly, we can observe the course outcomes of e-governance. Okay, so first of all, introduction. So introduction part is like e-governance is the implementation of ICT. ICT means International Communication Technology. Okay. So e-governance is the implementation of ICT. The ICT stand for Information and Communication Technology in the government department. Okay. Likewise, the central e-governance is to make government services efficient, accessible and convenient. Okay. So the e-governance which is in the form of some objective creation, that is the main important objective of e-governance is knowledge about tools and techniques of e-governance. Okay, so here we can discuss the knowledge about tools and techniques of e-governance. Okay, then next slide is models of e-governance. So in that, one is broadcasting model, another one is critical flow model, third one is comparative analysis model, and fourth one is interactive service model. So about broadcasting model, we can discuss firstly in detail the broadcasting model. So the model is based on broadcasting of useful governance information, okay, and that is in public domain into the wider public domain with ICT and convergent media. Okay, the strength of this broadcasting model is rest upon the fact that more informed citizenry is better able to judge the functioning of existing governance mechanism and make an informed opinion about them. Okay, in this model, they become more empowered to exercise their rights and responsibilities. Widespread application of this model. Okay, corrects equal to information failure situation by providing people with the relevant information relating to the governance sphere to make informed opinion and impact governance processes. Okay, so this is all about broadcasting model. Okay, next one is critical flow model. So about critical flow model means that based on channeling information of critical value to the targeted audience or into the wider public domain with ICT and convergent media. Okay, the strength of this model is that ICT makes the concept of distance and time redundant when information is hosted on a digital network, and this could be used advantageously by instantly transferring the critical information to its strategic user group located anywhere or by making it freely available in the wider public domain. Okay, now the third model is comparative analysis model. So about comparative analysis model, this model is highly significant model for developing countries and can be used for empowering people. Okay, now next model is interactive service model. So in interactive service model, it opens avenues for direct participation of individuals in governance processes and brings in greater objectivity and transparency in decision making process through international communication technology, that is ICT. Okay, next, fundamentally ICT has Fundamentally, ICT has the potential to bring in every individual in a digital network and enable interactive two-way flows of information among them. Under this model, the various services offered by the government become directly available to its citizens in an interactive manner. Okay, so it does so by opening up an interactive government to consumer. We can in various aspect governance such as election of government, that is e-ballots, that is election, that is EVM machine, right? Redressing online of specific grievances, then sharing of concerns and providing expertise, then opinion polls on various issues. Okay, so this is all about interactive service model. You guys understand? So this is interactive service model. Okay, now next slide is evolution of e-governance. Evolution of e-governance, that means computerization, networking, online presence, online interactivity. All online activities or online presence with the help of some network, computerized, that all are in evolution of e-governance. Basically, evolution of e-governance is kind of some countries like USA, Nepal, then Europe. So these countries of evolution of e-governance is also important. Okay, the factors affecting the point is like computerization, networking, online presence and online interactivity. Okay, so this is about evolution of e-governance. Next is strategies. So what will be strategies is there? First, to build legal infrastructure, right? Second, to build judicial infrastructure, and third one is to make all information available online and to popularize e-governance. Okay, these all are the strategies of e-governance: to build legal infrastructure, then to build judicial infrastructure and make all information available online. Yeah, right, because the past information and future information are saved in e-governance application. Okay, with the help of comparative analysis model. Okay, that create comparative analysis model that create the past information as well future information in e-governance services. And last one is to popularize e-governance. So e-governance means E means electronic and services, that is government services. Okay, then by completing strategies, now next is conclusion. So after completed or studying this unit, conclusion is that to derive tools and techniques of e-governance. Yeah, that is important, e-governance techniques and tools, because e-governance is a current situation or current subject of our government services, right? So the derived tools and techniques of e-governance is very important, and also e-governance creating some new techniques or new questions in related with e-governance, and that is help in UPSC exam also. Okay, so the conclusion is that to derive tools and techniques of e-governance. Okay, means the unit of this e-governance, that is models of e-governance, the course outcome is derive tools and techniques of e-governance. Okay, so this unit is being tools and techniques of e-governance that provide the information about e-governance, e-models, then broadcasting model, then comparative analysis model, then comparative model, critical flow model, then institutional model. So we can discuss about some models of this unit. Okay, so the unit is end and the concept is also covered in this unit. Okay, so thank you, have a good day.